Hello and welcome to Learn English with Dee. Today we are going to learn how to greet someone in English and how to introduce yourself when you meet someone for the first time. It's easy, it's simple, let's begin. When you meet someone, we usually say, hello. Can you repeat after me? Hello. Hello. Great job. It sounds like hello. Hello. Wonderful. We can also say hi. Can you repeat after me? Hi. Great job. So when someone says hello, we can reply hi. Wonderful. And if the person says hi, we can say hello. They are both correct and common in English. Now, depending on the time of the day, we use different greetings. In the morning, we say good morning. Can you repeat after me? Good morning. Good morning. Great job. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. Can you repeat after me? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Excellent. And in the evening, we say good evening. Can you repeat after me? Good evening. Good evening. Well done. When it's night and it's time to leave or go to sleep, we usually say good night. Can you repeat after me? Good night. Good night. Remember, we only use good night when it's time to go home. You're leaving. It's not when you meet someone. Okay? We can also say goodbye. Goodbye. Can you repeat after me? Goodbye. And we can make it short by saying bye. Bye. Can you repeat after me? Bye. Well done. Now, sometimes we combine the greetings. For example, we can say hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. We can also say hi, good evening. Hi, good evening. Or hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. These are all natural in English. Let's imagine that you meet someone for the first time and you want to know their name. In English, we ask, what's your name? Can you repeat after me? What's your name? What's your name? Excellent. The other person can reply, my name is. Example, my name is Geraldine. Can you try it? My name is. Very good. And it's polite to ask the other person their name too. Example, if I say, my name is Dee, I can ask, what's your name? And the person can also say, my name is David. My name is David. Great job. When we've learned the person's name, we usually say, nice to meet you. Can you repeat after me? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Excellent. The other person can reply, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. We can also say, it's a pleasure to meet you. Can you repeat after me? It's a pleasure to meet you. This is a bit formal, but it doesn't hurt to upgrade your greeting. So when someone says, it's a pleasure to meet you, you can say, it's a pleasure to meet you too. Excellent. Let's practice what we've learned today. I will read the red part and you have to read the green part. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin. Hi. Good morning. What's your name? My name is Dee. Nice to meet you. Great job. Now let's switch. You will read the red part and I read the green part. Are you ready? Okay. Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Dee. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Well done. That was brilliant. You did a great job today. You were able to learn how to greet and introduce yourself to someone for the first time in English. And this is what my channel is all about. I am here to help people start from beginner level to advanced speaker. So stick around, subscribe and follow. And before we go, I want you all to drop a comment on how to say hello in your own language. This is a fun way for us to get to know how to say hello or hi or how to greet in different languages. I love this. It's fun. So please, if you enjoyed this video or if you found it helpful, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and you can also share it to your loved ones so that they can learn how to greet in English. So that will be all for today. In the next class, we will learn how to express ourselves further by talking about how we feel. All right. So that will be all. See you in our next video. Bye.